Pan, add a tablespoon of butter, and these are the ingredients for the stuffing. Once it starts to get melted little bit, we are going to add all the three ingredients at once, and then we are going to season it with salt and pepper. And we are going to evaporate this all the moisture of this, which is going to take around 5 minutes of cooking at least. Mix all the ingredients, and now I'm going to add salt, 1.5 teaspoon, and around half teaspoon of pepper, and cook until all the moisture is evaporated. So it has been around 5 minutes since I am stirring this, and looks like it has some more moisture in it. So I will cook it for around 3 to 4 minutes more. And how I check if it has moisture, I move all of them into one place and check if water comes. If water comes, there is moisture too much, and then I move like this. If there is sound, then it has moisture. So I will cook this for around 4 minutes now. It's been around 4 minutes since this is cooking. So last time check, all the moisture has been done. So now I close the flame and move it down to a plate and then cool it. And while it cools, we will prepare the dough. I have around 200 grams of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and a teaspoon of salt. Now gradually add some water and made a semi-stiff dough out of it. So this type of stage, I am going to add about a teaspoon of oil to it and knead this for about 2 minutes, like you knead your pizza dough, the same way. So after kneading for about 2 minutes, cover this with a wet muslin cloth and let it rest for about 15 minutes, and in the 15 minutes our stuffing will also get in room temperature. It's been around 15 minutes since this is resting. So now my mother is going to show you how to prepare the momos out of it. So take a small dumpling, roll in your hands in a greased surface, roll thinly. You may also dust with some flour in between. You should make it thin. So after rolling it thinly, add the stuffing which we made earlier. Make sure that your stuffing is in room temperature. Add the stuffing and gather all the sides like we gather the modaks. Just we make a little smaller petals in this, you can see. So now I am going to keep it into a deck of the steamer, greased one. So now the second style of making the momos, the round shape. So add the stuffing about half a teaspoon to the rolled dough. Make sure that it is in the middle. Gather the edges If your dough is a little bit soft, then it will be a hard time preparing the momos. So make sure that your dough is a little bit stiff. So you may see, I will prepare all the momos like this. I will be back after prepare. You may see I have prepared all my momos, 2 of the decks of my steamer, and don't stuff very close to close. And while I was preparing the momos, I kept some water to boil in the water compartment of the steamer. So now it will take around 20 minutes to steam the momos. So water was boiling. I will keep the decks into it and steam for about 20 minutes. 10 minutes in high flame and 10 minutes in low flame. Sorry for before, it takes only 10 minutes to cook in high flame and about 15 to 20 minutes to cook in low flame. So now they are ready. You may see they will become little bit transparent. Serve them hot. You may let them rest unopened for about 5 minutes. Resting for about 2 minutes after opening from the steamer. Just shake them up. They will all get dismantled as we have added oil to it. If you apply less oil, then it will be little hard to take out. So you may see, serve them hot with this chutney, red chutney. I'll show you the recipe next time.